Hello, my good viewers. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for choosing the foods as your channel. Thank you so much for that. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. This is a recipe channel dealing with African traditional recipes and modern. We also do travel and events and also some easy, quick recipes. So guys, today I'm back with this kind of recipe. I've done quite a number in this channel. I've done red jam, I've done tangerine orange jam, and guys, today I want to do for you some how to make passion jam. Keep tuning, let's get to the cooking. Things that I have here, I have my passions are here. These are the passions that I'm going to use to make this jam. And I have sugar, and I have lemon, which I'm going to use as a preservative. So when we're making this jam, what we do is that we cut them to remove the juice first. And what we are really going to use to make this jam is the zest from the jam. So remove the juice seeds, then we continue the rest. So we are going to do this throughout. So guys, when you're making a passion jam, make sure you wash the fruit well, because what we are going to use the passion zest to make this juice. So make sure you wash them thoroughly. Sorry. So guys, so as much as we have some juice here, we are not really going to, what matters here for the jam is this. So this is what we are going to boil first, and after boiling it, we'll leave it overnight in the same water that we have used in boiling it. Then from there is when we'll get the jam from it. So keep tuned. We'll cover it and let it boil. So after boiling, we'll leave it in the same water overnight. It's when we'll continue with it. For the juice, we can make it. We'll need only so much little from here to make the zest, but because the peels of the passion already, some seeds remained there, so we'll give it that flavor. But still, we need some little juice from this. So we'll just sieve this to obtain the juice. You can see this juice, so keep tuned and see what will happen next. guys, this is the passion covers that we boiled last night, and we have left it overnight. So now we are going to use it in making the passion jam. So what we are going to do here, we are going to remove the inner part. Lemon, just as I told you before, it's used as a preservative, and it also gives a certain taste to the jam. Now apart from this, now I had blended some juice, passion juice, so I'm going to add the juice here. So you have to mix, then put it in a boil now. Boil. So you'll keep stirring. You stir until everything dissolves. So keep tuned, guys. You can see it's thickening already. It has started thickening. This is passion jam. So guys, you can see it has thickened, but we have to let it continue burning. Just to thicken until you have to continue stirring until you can see, guys, but still it's not yet done. It has to change some color. My passion jam is done. You can see it is done. And so I'm going to take it out. Maybe you can just It has the aroma of passion. Whoa. So guys, this is how we do passion jam. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please try it out. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.